how to open TikTok with sound. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are your TikTok videos muted every time you open the app and you don't know how to fix it? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. Tap on the profile tab available at the bottom. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top. A menu will appear. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down a bit. Under the content and display section, you will see the option for playback. Tap on it. At the top, you will see the option Open TikTok on mute. As you can see, the feature is currently turned on, which is why videos are muted every time you open the app. To fix this, simply toggle off the button. Now TikTok videos won't be muted by default, so you no longer need to tap the screen or use volume controls to unmute them. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the issue of TikTok videos being muted every time you open the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.